In this video, we're going to take you step by step through the installation of GAF Cobra exhaust vent attic ventilation. To begin, determine the necessary ridge slot opening required. For roofs without a ridge board, cut a 1-inch opening along the ridge on each side. If your roof does have a ridge board, cut a 1 3/4 inch opening along each side of the ridge. Mark off and cut the slot opening. Be sure that the edge of the ridge slot opening stop at least 6 inches from any end walls or rakes and at least 12 inches from hip and ridge intersections or chimneys. Now, center the roll on the slot opening. Then unroll across the ridge, nail in place using the included 1 3/4 inch ring shank nails. Trim at the opposite end. Be sure to check out more GAF Pro Series installation videos. Good luck with your roofing project.